All right, everyone, I've got something really exciting to share with you today. Now, this is a big moment, not just for us, but for the entire community we're building together. Over the past few months, we've been working behind the scenes on something that we believe is going to make a massive impact for agency owners just like you. And today, I'm officially announcing...
You're never going to believe what your dad just did. We acquired HighLevel Suites. We just acquired HighLevel Suites.
Well, I guess now you know. We just acquired HighLevel Suite.
Hey guys, it's Walt here from HighLevel Suite, and I've got a pretty amazing announcement that I'd love to bring to you.
What do you mean you sold HighLevel Suite?
Well, I guess that's it. HighLevel Suite has been acquired. Let's introduce you to Dakota and Christina.